Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Caleb Janssens, and thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my review. Today we will be reviewing the VX Gaming Sun-Wukong RGB hot swappable mechanical keyboard. This is the premier product of their premier brand, VX Gaming Black. Being a member of the VX Gaming Black brand, the packaging reflects its separation from previous keyboards in previous lines. So, let's see if this keyboard lives up to the hype. Starting with the design, the Sun-Wukong keyboard features an aesthetic different to previous boards from the VX Gaming range, with a new and updated look at the keys fitting perfectly with the VX Gaming Black line. Its compact form factor with 68 keys makes it ideal for gamers who need more desk space for mouse movement during intense gaming sessions, or if you are simply someone like me who is having to use a much smaller desk. The detachable Type-C cable adds to its convenience, allowing for easy transportation and replacement if needed. I mean, if you have a cat like myself who chews your cables, you know how badly you need this. The build quality feels premium with a solid construction that gives confidence in its durability. The matte black finish is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also resists fingerprints and smudges, maintaining its clean look even after several hours of use, which I can personally attest to. One standout feature is the hot swappable mechanical switches, allowing users to customize their typing preferences. And the keys have been tested and have a switch rating of 50 million presses, guaranteeing that this keyboard will be in your arsenal for years to come. The anti-ghosting feature ensures that every keystroke is registered accurately, beating shortcomings that previous keyboards from the range like the VX Gaming Zeus keyboard suffered from. Typing on this keyboard feels satisfying thanks to the responsive mechanical switches that offer a tactile feedback. If you are a fan of ASMR, then here is your chance to listen to the keys of the Sun-Wukong keyboard. The RGB backlighting on the keyboard is actually stunning. With vibrant colors and customizable lighting effects, you can truly make it your own. And one of the most unique features is the adjustable knob. The knob control makes adjusting audio levels and RGB lighting a breeze, giving you instant access to your preferred settings without interrupting your gameplay. However, it does take a few minutes to familiarize oneself with the different applications and ways of activating the knob and its settings. In regards to compatibility, the Sun-Wukong covers all the basics and is compatible with Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Android, and Mac. To wrap it up, the VX Gaming Sun-Wukong RGB hot swappable mechanical keyboard is a lot to say, but it's a great addition to VX Gaming's lineup, marking their entry into the premium peripherals market while still ensuring their products remain affordable. With its sleek design, customizable features, and solid performance, it's definitely worth considering for gamers and enthusiasts alike. If you enjoyed this video or found this review in any way helpful, then please leave a like and consider subscribing to my channel. If you have any additional questions about the keyboard, then please comment them down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it, and I hope to see you again in my next review.